Yeah, that was all done by AI. I got this email from Phyllis asking me how to make a certain type of video. This one, a cat dancing. Very cool. I will show you how you can create this too. So, let's go. First of all, let's download this video. Now I will take a screenshot and crop it. Now guys, my initial plan was to use the large animatable human model from Hugging Face, but somehow it did not work this time. Here is some footage from a few weeks back when I tested the program. You simply add a full body image like this one, and then you select a video where someone is dancing and you let it generate. And it failed like 2 or 3 times and then worked. This is the result. I will put the link in the description so you can try it out. Maybe it works for you. Let me know in the comments. Banana iced tea swag machine. And generate it. Ha ha ha. LOL. That was random. But I don't care. I mean, if you hear me right now, write something in the comments because my god, it is quite. But okay, the alternative I found is Vidnoz. Simply add the image and choose a dancing video and generate it. You will need to connect your Google account, but it is free to use. Here it is. I muted the audio because of copyright reasons. That looks nice. Now go to Google's AI Studio and select the Gemini 2.0 Flash Image Generation Experimental. Now upload the screenshot from earlier and write something like, create a smilier image but with a different cat. That looks amazing. Let's download it. Now let's use Vidnoz again and generate a dancing video out of it. Okay, this one looks a bit worse. Maybe it will help if we upscale the Google image first. So let's use the CapCut enlarger and upscale it to 4K. Okay, now let's generate it again in Vidnoz. Here it is. Okay, there doesn't seem to be any change quality-wise. Now let's open a new CapCut project. Now simply change the music and you are done. Watch me edit because why not? When you are done, export it in 4K. Now it's up to you. Create your own AI cat dancing videos. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss another Mr. Lemon video. And guys, be sure to become a member and get access to all the membership perks. See you in the next video. Bye.